friends, how y'all doing? Good hope. I just wanted to show you how cute the refrigerator is organized. These are all the dressings. My kids really love salad. Everybody helped. Everybody pitched in. Esmeralda did a lot of the cleaning. I did organizing. This is basil from the garden and some parsley. I'm going to add to my salad. Okay. It's just tuna and avocado, Parmesan cheese, cayenne pepper, and you can call it a tuna salad or just tuna and avocado. You can add greens to it, but this is very low carb. That's what I'm having for lunch or dinner. I only have 2 meals a day. Sometimes I have 3 if it's like a really long day, like a 22-hour day or 18-hour day, but today's a normal day. So I want to show you, this is the cheese. It's really good. And 20 calories per, 1 tablespoon. So I measure it. And 0 carbs. Thought that was a win. Pretty awesome. This is the peanut butter that I had today. Peanut butter and home preserves. Okay. And it's all organized there. And then here's the vegetables and fruits. Here's the cherries I was snacking on yesterday. And the little pasta and mushrooms for the guests. We had some people over. Yeah, we had Popeyes the other day. And so I thought I would have my Crystal Geyser water. So it's darkest tuna, and I'll show you the can and walk around this beautiful place here. So here's the Starkist. So I used half a can. It makes a lot. And 1 whole avocado. Here's the kitchen. Look, everything's looking so pretty. Walk around the hallway. The floors are shiny, nice. Nice and shiny. Alright, so I thought I would dig in. Now, optional, if you wanted just the avocado is fat, but I think I'm going to put in some mayonnaise or some dressing. So let's pick something here. I've really never seen it with so many dressings. Yeah. This one I picked, Jenny Song. It has my name on it. Cute. And I really like this one. This is fabulous. Maybe I'll try this one. This coconut wasabi one. It's pretty fabulous. Try a little bit of that. It's really good with sushi also. A little bit of that. This is the spray kind I like. Vinaigrette. Some mustard back there. Here's the sriracha lemon juice. Here's some Welch's jelly, mustard, ranch dressing, which is one of my favorites. Honey mustard, Caesar. This is the Italian dressing I like. There's 3 kinds, 3 of them. This one's fat-free. 0 fat and only 2 tablespoons is 15 calories. This is a little small blue cheese one I got. It's really good with celery. And then here's the local blue cheese that my dad likes. And it's ranch, classic balsamic, honey mustard. Oh, this is good with chicken nuggets or vegan chicken nuggets. More creamy balsamic, salsa verde avocado, cilantro avocado, creamy Caesar. I like that one. Those are good. There's another one of those spray wing sauce, sriracha, creamy Caesar light. Yeah, it's pretty cool, the amount of dressings. Oh, and then here's the real mail. I'll go with, here's some Kraft real mail. I'll go with that. For all my mayonnaise lovers, let's try it. It's going to be kind of spicy because it has the wasabi and the cayenne. A great fat burner. Just going to put whatever I want. Okay. I'll just kind of mix it. And I've got, oh, and let me get a glass of milk because I know this is going to be really spicy. You can't handle too much spice, so I'll get a pretty glass. We have the prettiest glasses here at the mansion. I love that one. Okay, just the prettiest glasses. Okay, so and I can drink milk. So I like this cold one. And we'll get more. We have almond milk still too. Okay. Just a little different way to do the videos. A little more unique. You don't see this every day. At least I don't. Okay, so this milk container is now empty. So let's start. The parsley's are great diuretic. I'm on diuretics, so I'm keeping the weight off, thank God. I had to go back on them because my fingers were swelling. So yep. Another good thing for swelling, folks, is turmeric. Let's get a little bit of that. I'm just being myself, folks. Okay. I'm an herb specialist, so I talk about herbs all day. I'm kind of brainy that way. We have ginger, we have, oh, Gram Marcella is really nice. This is really, really nice cooking. Indian food. Let's see here. Twigs. Ah, yes. A very beautiful brand of turmeric. Oh, somebody's coming in. Somebody's coming in. Oh, it's my friend Esmeralda. Hey Esmeralda, I'm just making a little cooking, a little eating video here with the turmeric. You're fine. This is my friend Esmeralda there. She does a great job here. So let me just get like a cloth to, I don't want turmeric on this nice counter because it's a real marble counter. Very expensive. And turmeric stains, so I'm just going to clean the turmeric. I'll go over it after with some special cleaner. Come over here. Alright. Now I've got all kinds of things in here. It'll help with inflammation and pain and my heart, my blood pressure for the cayenne. Keep that blood pressure down. And I got some calcium here because I need the calcium. Oh, yes. Splendid. Splendid, splendid. I always drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water at least. If I don't have it, I don't feel too good. I get headaches and kind of fatigued and things like that. So I gotta have my water. Okay, it looks like I have mustard in here, but it's the turmeric. And I did put quite a lot in. So if you want to make this, just put half the amount. You know, put a half a teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon. A quarter teaspoon would be plenty. I like kind of a lot, so I've kind of adapted to it. I was a cook when I was 20 years old. My grandma hired me. She had heart disease, so I would cook a lot of lentils and things with turmeric. And she ate a lot of healthy things that I made. Yeah, I had a job when I was 20 cooking. So, and I've had many times I've had a job as a chef cooking. A couple different times I've worked for my dad cooking too. This would be really good with a cup of chai. I think it'd be lovely. Or a cup of ginger, that would be great. And then I put in a little pinch of Himalayan salt. So disregard all the noises because we have a staff that works here and they're cleaning and helping my father. And I'm just gonna wipe down the counters after, and then it's bedtime for me. I had a long day. And if you're not worried about carbs or you want a lot of carbs, you could always have this on crackers. It'd be good. I already had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, so I think that is enough carbs for now. And my milk has carbs, so I think I have plenty. Just enough to get through my chores. I did a lot of sweeping today. I have to keep these hardwood floors clean. If you have work done on your teeth, if you had dental work, and you're allowed to eat again, this would make a good meal. It's nice and soft. I would have this all the time when I had my dental work done. It looks kind of funny, but it's really, really delicious and healthy. Okay, friends, so I gotta go now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.